Hey, check this out. This is a leche flan. Niluto ko sa mug in a microwave. So, no steaming, no baking, and I made it in under 5 minutes. Eto, pakita ko sa inyo paano. So, 1 tablespoon sugar in a mug. Then, we microwave the mug for maybe 1 to 2 minutes para matunaw yung sugar, maging caramel. Ayan siya. So, sa isang bowl, mag-mix tayo ng 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, and 5 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Ayan, so i-mix lang natin yan. Then, we will use a strainer and then pour the mixture into the mug na merong caramel. Give it a tap para mawala yung mga air bubbles. And ganyan na siya. Now, ima-microwave natin ulit siya for maybe 1 and 1.5 minutes. Kailangan medyo jiggly pa rin siya. Okay, para maganda yung texture. Try muna natin ng 1 minute. And then, kung kulang pa, we'll add another 30 seconds. Okay, so, ano siya? Ayan. Ito yung consistency na sinasabi ko na parang jiggly pa siya. Palamigin lang natin ng konti and then we'll transfer it to a bowl, to a plate or bowl. Then tikman na natin. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh my God. Ayan siya. Mainit-init pa. Okay, so tikman na natin. Ooh, the perfect bite. Ang creamy niya. Kung i-ref mo pa to, palalamigin mo pa, medyo mas magiging firm pa ka. Try nyo rin gawin, madali lang. Let me know down in the comments kung ano masasabi nyo. As usual, give me a follow for more quick recipes like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!